Want more bees and butterflies in your backyard? These hardworking pollinators not only bring beauty, they help your garden thrive. In this video, I'll share the top flowers you can plant to attract bees and butterflies all season long. Pollinators like bees and butterflies help fertilize fruits, veggies, and flowers. Without them, most gardens and food systems wouldn't survive. The best way to support them: grow what they love. Whenever possible, choose native plants. They're naturally adapted to your climate and attract local pollinators better than exotic species. Coneflowers are hardy, drought-tolerant, and bloom for months. Bees love them, and butterflies can't resist their wide landing pads. As the name suggests, bee balm is a pollinator magnet. Its tubular blooms are perfect for both bees and butterflies. This fragrant favorite isn't just for us. Bees go wild for lavender. Plus, it's low maintenance and great for borders or pots. These cheerful flowers bloom late into the season and provide rich nectar for pollinators. They're tough and come back every year. Milkweed is essential for monarch butterflies. It's the only plant their caterpillars eat. Choose native types like common, swamp, or butterfly weed. Zinnias bloom in bold colors and keep going until frost. Plant them in clumps for a butterfly buffet. Not just a showstopper, sunflowers are nectar-rich and attract all kinds of pollinators. Let some go to seed to feed birds too. Lantana's clusters of tiny flowers are butterfly magnets. It loves full sun and makes a great potted plant. Salvia is drought-tolerant and long-blooming. Bees, butterflies, even hummingbirds flock to it. Alyssum forms a fragrant carpet that's loved by beneficial insects. Plant it along walkways or borders for continuous blooms. Plant a variety of bloom shapes and colors. Try to have something blooming spring through fall. Add shallow water dishes with stones for pollinators to rest and drink. Avoid pesticides, they harm the very creatures you're inviting in. Want more life in your garden? Start with these flowers and watch it come alive. Let me know which ones you're planting this season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow garden lover. Happy gardening, and thank you for helping the pollinators.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.